Hey there, creatives! Today, I'm diving into how AI image makers are revolutionizing creativity and changing the game for artists everywhere. Imagine you're an artist staring at a blank canvas. Inspiration isn't always instant, but now, with AI tools like DALL-E, Midjourney, and DeepArt, that blank canvas can transform into something extraordinary in seconds. Let's talk about DALL-E first. Developed by OpenAI, DALL-E can generate images from text descriptions. Want a two-headed flamingo drinking coffee? DALL-E can create that. This tool is a dream come true for illustrators and designers looking for unique, out-of-the-box concepts. Next up, Midjourney. This AI tool is designed for creating stunning, high-quality artwork. Whether you need futuristic cityscapes or vintage-style portraits, Midjourney's got you covered. It's like having a digital artist at your fingertips, ready to bring your wildest ideas to life. And let's not forget DeepArt. This one uses neural networks to turn your photos into masterpieces. Ever wondered what your selfie would look like as a Van Gogh painting? DeepArt can do that. It's perfect for photographers and visual artists wanting to add a touch of classic art to their modern pieces. But how does this impact creativity, you ask? These AI tools don't replace human creativity, they enhance it. They provide a starting point, a spark of inspiration, or even an entirely new perspective. Imagine collaborating with an AI to create something neither of you could have imagined alone. So, whether you're a painter, graphic designer, or photographer, AI image makers are here to push the boundaries of what's possible. Dive in, experiment, and let these tools ignite your creative genius. That's all for today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more insights into the world of creativity and technology. Stay inspired.